left on Cooper Foster Park Road.
Does, but it's the same thing. When Ayanna Pressley last year, Glenn said, we don't need any more brown faces who don't want to be a brown voice. We don't need any more black faces who don't want to be a black voice. That's no different than Joe Biden saying there's only one way to be black. This is what Democrats have always done. And Joe Biden just said it out loud, something that he probably heard many people say privately, and all of a sudden, because he's Joe Biden and white, he has to apologize. This is a Democratic playbook. If you don't think the way you're supposed to think, you're self-loathing. You're an Uncle Tom. If you are a Republican and you're a Donald Trump person, you hate your own people. This is no different than what Joe Biden said. Again, no different than what the Democrats have said routinely. I'm in California. There was a fight a few years ago, Glenn, to get rid of race-based preferences, and the guy who led the fight happened to be a black man who's married to a white woman. A local politician named Diane Watson later on ran for and got elected to the United States House of Representatives, said, let me tell you why you want to get rid of affirmative action. You're married to a white woman. You don't want to be black. You have no ethnic pride. And then when reporters
continue on Cooper Foster Park Road for 1 mile.
To this day, she's never apologized. Now, David Duke can't even say that now and get away with it.
So, Larry, let me touch base one more thing on revisionist history, which you talk about in the documentary Uncle Tom, which everyone should watch. Uncle Tom. Go to UncleTom.com, which I can't believe was available, or I don't even want to ask how much you paid for that.
I'm going to say
but yeah, I bet you did. So you go to UncleTom.com. Everybody needs to see this. It's coming out on June 19th, Juneteenth, all around the country. Let me talk to you about revisionist history. Yesterday, all of these Christian leaders, they all posted this little black box that was trying to stand in solidarity. And my daughter said to me yesterday, "Why is that wrong, Dad?"